Hello children, today let us learn some more facts about standard units of measuring length. You already know standard units of measuring length are centimeter represented as cm, meter m and kilometer km. Now let us see what is a centimeter. A centimeter is a metric unit of measurement used for measuring the length of an object. It is written as cm. Centimeters are generally measured using centimeter scale that you generally have in your pencil boxes. Those are small scales of length of about 15 centimeter. The longer ones are 30 centimeter scales. These scales, the objects which you can put on the scale and measure them, such objects are generally measured in the length of centimeter. Or you can say very small lengths of about the size of a scale or more are measured using the unit centimeter. Then coming to meter, meter is basic unit of length or distance in the metric system. The symbol is M. Example, the length of the guitar is little over 1 meter. Length of a guitar. The actual guitar has a length of over 1 meter. The relation between meter and centimeter is 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. When 100 centimeters are taken together, that comes out to be equal to 1 meter. This is a relation and you should know it. Okay. So learn this. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Kilometer. Kilometer is a metric measure of very long distances. When we have to measure very long distances, then we use kilometer km. It is represented by km. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1000 meters makes 1 kilometer. Okay, and example of kilometer can be distance between two cities. Such distances are very long. You have to take some kind of mode of transport to travel from one place to other. Such distances are generally measured in kilometers. Distance between two places in a city, that is also measured in kilometer. Now, which unit of length, meter, centimeter, kilometer, will be used to measure the length of following objects? Okay, right now we are going to get some objects. We have to guess which unit of length will be used to measure those objects. Okay, now here there is width of a computer screen. We have to measure the width of a computer screen. Which unit of length we will use? You can see a long scale is almost equal to the width of a computer screen. So using a long scale of 30 centimeter, you can easily measure width of a computer screen. It means that width of a computer screen will be measured in centimeter. Height of a 1-year-old child. Height of a 1-year-old child. A 1-year-old child height can be measured in meter or centimeter. Length of pagdi. Pagdi length is very long. Now we have to decide how we can measure it. Can we use a centimeter scale to measure it? It's very difficult to measure the length of a pagdi using a scale, though you can, but it is very tedious work. So generally measuring the length of a pagdi can be measurement of length of a pagdi can be done in meters. Length of a banana. Just think, can you put a banana on a centimeter scale? Yes, you can measure the banana on your centimeter scale, on your scale. So the length of a banana will be measured in centimeters. Waist of an elephant. An elephant is very big in size and its waist too is so big. So measuring waist of an elephant, it can be done in meters. Basically, what you have to know, small lengths can be measured in centimeters, lengths a bit larger can be measured in meters, and very large lengths, very long distances can be measured in kilometer. Now, height of a sugarcane. Here you can see sugarcane plants are longer than the man standing here. So, in which unit you can measure these sugarcane plants? In meters. Depth of a well. A well is so deep. You must have seen wells, and you know they are very deep, and this depth can be measured in meters. Length of an earthworm. Length of an earthworm. An earthworm can easily be placed alongside the scale and can be measured. It's not so large, its length is small, so it can be measured in centimeters. Width of a fingernail. Now, fingernail is also small in size and its width can be measured in centimeter. Length of a sari. A sari is long in size. You must have seen your mother wrapping up the sari. It is so long. So these saris are measured in meters. So I hope now you have an idea of which kind of objects are measured in centimeters. Very small length objects or small length objects of the size of a scale are measured in centimeter. Lengths larger than them than that are measured in meters, and very long distances are measured in kilometers. Thank you.